In this video, I'm going to try finding a profitable YouTube cash cow niche in just 5 minutes, whereby the channel could potentially make a lot of money over time with videos that are fairly easy to create and you're not even showing your face in those videos. So let's get started. Before going straight into YouTube, head on to Google and search for something like the highest earning YouTube niches. What I would do is check a few different of the articles here so that I can more effectively verify the information. And what we're checking from here is from a Google AdSense perspective. This is one of the ways that you can get paid from a YouTube channel. I think it's a good place to start by checking this first. And this site says that making money online is the highest paying, which is $13.52 on average for every 1,000 views that a video makes. While I think this one's supposed to pay well, I don't think it would be paying as high as the finance and investing. So let's check another. This other one is from a YouTube certified expert. Top 7 highest paid niches on YouTube. And I think it's important to be interested in the channel that you're going to be making videos on. This is definitely the experience I've had on this main channel that you're looking at right now, where I was originally making videos about photography, because that is my experience and I was interested in that, and I still am. But I'm more interested in ways of making money online, as well as making content around making money online. So choosing a topic that you're already interested in is important. Personal finance. This is something that I am very interested in, but I am not an expert in. And this is where I think a lot of people get mixed up in that if they're creating a new YouTube channel, that they need to be a guru, an expert in that topic. I think you still need to be somewhat knowledgeable, but you can take the approach of what a lot of other people are doing, where you're sharing the journey as you learn more and experience in this particular topic. Back to the topics. There's also business advice, drop shipping. But if I had to pick one from this list in terms of creating a new YouTube cash cow channel, would be in personal finance. Basically because it is something that I think I've struggled with for a very long time. So I am extremely interested in learning more about this topic. So the approach that I would take if I was starting a channel in the personal finance space is researching this topic, learning from the experts, apply the different tips and strategies, and then share my learnings via the YouTube channel. Okay, so now the fun stuff starts, where we can start doing the research. By searching for personal finance on YouTube, what I'm looking for here is not personal brands, but channels that don't show their face. Just like this one. Let's check out this video. This video here, 10 personal finance rules schools doesn't teach you. This video is basically a voiceover with animation. And according to Social Blade, this channel estimates $395 to $6.3 thousand per month. So what I would do, seeing that we've already found a good example, check out the channel over here, Practical Wisdom. It has over 736,000 subscribers with an average of 1.5 million monthly views. Let's take a look at some of the recent videos on this channel that is getting a lot of views. So this is over the past 7 days. For some reason, this video, 10 Steps to Become Rich, How to Build Wealth, has 32,000 views. Let's check that video out. This video actually takes a different approach, and it looks like it's stock footage throughout the entire video, with a voiceover going through each of the different steps. So according to this guide that we looked at previously, personal finance would fall under finance and investing. That has an average CPM of $12.25. Now I think it's much more than that. If we were to use that amount based on this amount of views, which is 32,000 views so far, and it's for every 1,000 views. So that's roughly $13 for every 1,000 views. So to calculate that, we'll just have to divide this by 1,000. So if we divide 32,255 by 1,000, to get the amount that this video made so far, we'll now have to multiply this number by $13. So based on the estimates and the average, this video so far from just 2 or 3 days ago made this channel $420. So based on that, I think that's going to be it for this video. We're going with this topic. I'm kidding, we have a few more things to do. Now we know that this type of video could be quite profitable with YouTube AdSense. What we want to look at is affiliate programs associated with personal finance. There are the popular people in the game like Digistore24 and ClickBank, but what you can do is just search in Google for personal finance affiliate programs. AuthorityHacker.com is usually a good, legit resource to find this type of information for us. You see, they already did all of the hard work, the 27 best financial affiliate programs. There's a list here of 27 programs that you can apply for. So of course, if you're making a channel like this in the personal finance space, you may have a subtopic in personal finance. You just have to make sure that it is aligned to one of these affiliate programs. This one is about credit cards. If you can recommend somebody to sign up for one of these credit cards, then the commission rate is $25 per lead. So this is not even per sale, it's per lead, meaning you just send somebody who's interested in signing up. There's one here about identity theft, which is LifeLock. This company provides identity theft protection, and if you can get them a sale, you can get up to $110 per sale. That's a lot. Another popular one here is Lending Tree, which offers up to $70 per lead. Again, not per sale, per lead. All they basically do here is help customers consolidate their debts. So if you want to apply for any one of these affiliate programs, there's already the link here, and I'll put this main link, authorityhacker.com financial affiliate programs, in the description below as well for easy access. So you simply just click on these different links and apply to these different programs to become an affiliate. So once you get accepted in those affiliate programs, what you would be able to do is when you make a video similar to this one, and you head down to the description, as you can see here, it says try Audible and get a free audiobook. For everybody that signs up to Audible through this link, Practical Wisdom would then get a commission for that. So let's say you get approved for this USAA credit cards program, and you get your affiliate link by signing up here. So when you make you make a video like this and place that link in here, when somebody clicks that video, when somebody clicks that link and signs up, not even being a customer as yet, this website will then pay you for just being a lead, $25. So I will definitely be signing up for that. Okay, so this YouTube niche looks promising. It has a high CPM. There are affiliate programs that pay quite well. And if I was to proceed with a video like this, it seems fairly straightforward to make, where there's a voiceover and just stock footage over it. And I think I was able to do this in under 5 minutes, maybe a few minutes over. And as part of the next video in this series, what I would be looking at is how I can actually find the best topics to create, as well as how to create the content easily and for free. So if you want to look at those videos in the series, then be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss videos just like that one. Also, if you're particularly interested in videos where you don't have to show your face, but you can still earn some money over time with a channel like this, then feel free to check this one out here, where you can make some simple tutorials where you're not actually showing your face, you're just recording your screen, and then possibly making a lot of views and income from that. Check that out.